This is Tamara Wyman with Wyman Plumbing and Mechanical. We are at Quality Interactive Montessori School that is coming in for Anthem, Arizona. About 7 p.m. on a Wednesday night. The guys are putting in some late hours, really trying to push to meet those deadlines and get the general contractor where he needs to be at on the project, stay ahead of the game. Installing 4 water fountains, multiple changing tables with faucets and drains, a kitchen sink, and just a handful of other plumbing items. Erik putting in a water fountain right now. You got Doug putting together one of the vanities and getting the faucet installed, the water lines connected, the drains. Got Luis getting everything all prepped and ready so that when they get to their station, they can start rocking and rolling.